we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the partying, the smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time when you fade into the blackness, and when you're staring at the phone in your lap, that you're hoping other people never call you. But that's just how the story unfolds. You get another hand soon after you fold, and when your plans unravel in the sand, what would you wish for if you had one chance? Sorry I'm late, I'm on my way, so don't close that gate. If I don't make that, then I'll switch my flight and I'll be right back at it by the end of the night. That airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Somebody take me back to the days before it was a job, before it got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my bank, back when I was trying to get into the subway. Oh, when I was rapping for the hell of it. Nowadays we're rapping to stay relevant. I'm guessing that if we can make some wishes out of airplanes, maybe, oh, maybe I'll go back to the days before the politics that we call the rap game. You went home alone. There were tears in your eyes. I called your cell phone, my love, but you did not reply. The world is ours if you want it. We can take it if you just take my hand. There's no turning back now. Baby, try to understand. Don't wanna break your heart, wanna give your heart a break. I know you're scared it's wrong, like you might make a mistake. There's just one life to live, and there's no time to wait, to wait. So let me give your heart a break, give your heart a break. Let me give your heart a break, your heart a break. There's just so much you can take. Give your heart a break, let me give your heart a break, your heart a break. Oh yeah, yeah. When your lips are on my lips, then our hearts beat one, but you slip out of my fingertips every time you told me you never fall in love. Aló, soy yo. Me preguntaba si después de tantos años tú y yo nos reuniremos o no. Dicen que el tiempo cura todo, pero no es mi situación. Aló, ¿puedes oírme? Sigo soñando en California con lo que solíamos ser.